Welcome to Get Your FRQ On. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw circles on your graphing calculator. So the first thing you want to do is look for a function or command or key that says draw on it or something similar. On this one, that's right here. It happens to be in blue, which means it's a second function. So I'm going to have to use my second key in order to access this. So second draw, and then I look at my menu. Down here at number 9, I have circle, and I'm going to go down to that one. I'm going to click on plus so we can see the syntax that we have to enter in the arguments for circle. So I'm going to click on plus, and if you look down here, it's expecting the x coordinate for the center, the y coordinate for the center, the radius, and then some optional criteria. You can choose a color, and it'll draw it in that color, a line style, and it'll draw it in that line style. I'm not going to do that. Let's just say we want our circle to have center at 2, 3 and have radius 4. Right, so I can enter that information here. I click enter, it pastes it on my screen. And then I click enter again and notice that it draws the circle. Now you might be saying to yourself, that looks more like an ellipse than it does a circle, and that's because the X window here, the Y window, they're not in proportion to one another. So I don't really have a square ratio here. Not every distance is the same. You can kind of tell distances on the x-axis are slightly longer than distances on the y-axis. So to fix that, I'm going to go to zoom up here in the middle, and I'm going to go to zoom square. Right, this will force the x and y proportions to be the same. Right, so now I have z square, and I'm going to do the same thing. Second draw. Let me exit out of this. Second draw, 9, 2, 3, 4. And now it looks much more like a circle, and if you follow the cursor up, 2, 3 is about where that center looks like it would be.